I greet everyone. With you, analytical service System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. If necessary, you can stop the video. You can take a closer look at each company indicator. Now we will compare the current fundamental indicators of the company. Embraer S.A, ticker ERJ. This review is based on information as of June 17, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company Embraer S.A belongs to the subcategory Aviaprom. 16 companies are involved in the analysis. This is quite representative. We will see the final decisions by the end of this video. The overall result for the company is 6.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1 point. If you look very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we can see that the average score for the market as a whole is 1.8 points, against a score of 6.5 for Embraer S.A. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares Embraer S.A ADR and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares Embraer S.A ADR showed a change of 72.5%. 37.7% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of a corporation Embraer S.A ADR valued at $9.36 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $347 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $3.17 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $13 billion. Comparing the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Embraer S.A in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 2.697%. The book capitalization is 24.64%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The financial liabilities of the organization under analysis amount to $2.157 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization constitute 68% of the company's capital. The company's debt level rating, passable, 0 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 23.5. With an average for the subcategory of 0. The company's price-to-earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory is very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $398 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $512 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 1.4. The average in the subcategory is 3.3. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $6,650 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $81.30. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 6%, with an average in the subcategory of -10.4%. Sales margin assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 7.683%, which is 185% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $447,000. And in the subcategory $1,274,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per employee is $19,000. With an average for the subcategory, minus $39,900. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The volume of revenue per employee of the organization is $318,000. Subcategory, $384,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 4%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 62% for the company Embraer S.A. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 53%. The company's current stock price is approximately $51.03. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $56.99. Let's go to the order table, which is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made this season by the information and reference system, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the stock valuation Embraer S.A. ADR. Information system Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a buy trade at $51.04. The deal is open because the company has a relatively high rating. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 64.97. Stop loss is set at 37.11. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of trading on July 17, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, EVEX, will become a balance sheet transaction for sale. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, the main or balancing, the second order is fixed at the actual price. A huge thank you to the audience for watching to the end and for using the information system Guru.Markets.